Lately, working from home has become the norm for many of us. While it may have been challenging at times, many have adapted to working from home and even relished in some of the benefits it can bring to our standard of living. For some, working from home has not become the norm, but that does not mean we cannot make some additional passive income from the comfort of our own homes. Earning passive income is great for so many reasons, but mainly because it provides an additional source of income other than our day jobs. Less reliance on a single source of income can provide some great benefits, such as financial independence, lower stress levels, and more freedom to spend our time the way we want to. In this video, we will cover 5 ways to make passive income online while at home. Like all sources of income, these may require some investment of time, effort, and money to begin with, but the aim is to trade this for a steady source of income in the long run. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First on the list of 5 ways to make passive income online is investing in the stock market. If you've watched my other videos, you will know that investing in the stock market is a great way to make passive income. Many companies listed on the stock market pay dividends to shareholders on a regular basis, as their way to share the profits of their operations with the investors that have trusted them with their money. When referring to investing, I do not mean day trading stocks. Many retail investors think that day trading is a quick and easy way to get rich quick, when in fact it is one of the easiest ways to lose significant amounts of money very quickly. For example, out of all retail investors that have tried trading contracts for difference, known as CFDs, on Trading 212, a popular investing app in the UK and Europe, 76% of them lost money. This is the same story with many providers and just goes to show that speculating in the stock market tends not to be a profitable venture. Investing in dividend-paying companies for the long term using a research-based approach is more likely to result in positive returns for your portfolio. However, it must be said that returns and dividends are never guaranteed, and investing in the stock market still puts your capital at risk. If you're looking for some information on what researching a potential investment may look like, I'll leave a link to my Stock of the Week series where I analyze a potential stock investment and give them a rating out of 10. I'll also include links to videos where I list 5 of the top dividend stocks in both the UK and US markets. You can check them out by clicking on the banner in the top right hand corner or in the description below. Second on our list is selling an ebook. It's amazing how geared up service providers are to advertise and sell ebooks on their platforms. All that is required of you as the individual is to write the book. What is your field of specialty? Is it essay writing, mathematics, design? It could be a hobby of yours such as surfing or mountain biking. Maybe you even want to write a fiction book and display your creativity and imagination to the world. Selling an ebook has never been easier online. Using platforms such as Kindle Direct Publishing, you can sell your ebook on Amazon, one of the most popular e-commerce sites globally, and Amazon takes a commission on each sale. You only need to spend the time and effort once to write the book, and once it's published, each sale will generate income for you passively over time. The more ebooks you publish, the more opportunity you have of advertising your books to a wider audience, thus generating more sales. The third way to make passive income online is through podcasting. If ebooks may not be your thing, or you feel that you're more interested in expressing your views, talking about a topic you're interested in, or would love to interview people in an industry, starting a podcast might be the way to go for you. Podcasts can be a great way to pursue a field of interest from your own home. All you need to get set is a microphone, and can be done right away from your laptop or phone. If you want a professional, studio-like setup, you can buy a standalone microphone to enhance the quality of your content. I've included mine as an example in the description below so you can get an idea of the level of investment needed. Uploading your content to a platform for podcasts such as Spotify or others will enable you to build a library of content for viewers to listen to. Each time users listen to your content, as well as any ads on the platform, you as the creator receive royalties as revenue. Podcasts have grown in popularity in the last 2 years and have taken over certain industries. For example, with comedy clubs being shut, comedy podcasts have surged and people's behaviors on how they consume content has moved with it. Number 4 on the list is through YouTube. Like podcasting, YouTube allows you to create content from the comfort of your own home or wherever you choose to be, but with an added dimension. If you're more interested in video content creation and want to become an expert in 8K B-roll, smooth video transitions with great photography, then starting a YouTube channel may be an excellent choice for you. Like podcasting, you can build up a library of content and enrolling in the YouTube Partner Program to monetize your videos. If you want to learn more about the specifics of YouTube, monetizing on the platform, and the Partner Program itself, there are tons of great creators out there with in-depth tutorials on what it is and what you need to do to become successful on YouTube. There are also many videos out there explaining YouTube analytics in detail and how your videos can go viral, also how to interpret metrics that lead to generating revenue such as impressions, click-through rates, CPM, RPM, and much, much more. I've chosen YouTube as my platform for content creation because I thoroughly enjoy making these videos and because of the freedom it gives me to be able to create and upload from wherever I currently am. Last but not least, and number 5 on our list is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you market goods on behalf of third parties, and if anything is bought, or in some cases just signed up to, you as the marketer get a commission on the sale. The buyer does not have to pay more for the affiliate link, so it becomes a win-win situation for everyone involved. You can sign up to affiliate marketing programs completely for free and provide links on your own website or content wherever it's relevant. This is why affiliate marketing works well in tandem with other passive income sources, such as podcasting or YouTube. If users who watch your content are amazed by the video quality or lighting and want to know the equipment you used, you can provide affiliate links to them to buy the same gear. If you've been writing a review on your blog about a new video game you've been playing, you can leave an affiliate link to that game for others to play if they're tempted by what they've read. Passive income can require some effort in the beginning, but once you lay the groundwork, you'll be able to build multiple revenue streams with the ultimate goal of living off these in the future. If you got value out of this video, please leave a like down below and consider subscribing to Wise Wealth for more personal finance and investing content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, see ya.